Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Breakfast of Kings. Well, good morning. We still find ourselves in this little bay area north of the Atlantic Ocean Road by about 10-12 miles maybe, but we had an amazing night last night. After dinner we sat down and played a couple of games of Ludo, as we do, and then Mrs. O, what happened?
Hello, good morning. Oh, after Ludo?
Yeah.
Wow. We had a look outside and it was a clear night, so we decided to go and search for some northern lights.
How did we get on?
We found them.
We found them, didn't we?
We've seen the Aurora Borealis.
And whereabouts were they?
Just behind us.
They were outside that window there, all in the sky above. So how lucky were we?
Yeah, it was absolutely beautiful. Very lucky to see them.
So it's very late in the evening, and we're not too far for some people's homes, so I'm keeping this as quiet as I can. But the northern lights are out there. They're not really strong, but they're strong enough for our eye to pick up, and the camera's a little bit better, so we're out doing a little bit of photography. So it's quite exciting for us. We didn't expect to see this, so yeah, good. I'll throw a few of the pictures up now. So we've just stopped to stretch our legs, just had some lunch in the van. We've stopped off at this old church. Oh, looks in good nick to me. Tomorrow we are possibly going to look for this famous stave church, and Claire really wants to see one, so we'll go and find that. And that's us heading inlands now, back into the fjord territory and the mountains, which is great, although the coast was fantastic as well. That was a really enjoyable spot that we found last night, and the scenery around that area was perfect. There you go. So I'm going to put you down for a second, and I'm going to take a picture myself. So whilst walking back to the van, let me give you a quick rundown of my thoughts of Norway and the adventure so far. Amazing people. If you've had the opportunity to travel to France, Germany, Italy, Spain in your camper van or motorhome, next time you come across the channel, turn left and give this country a go, and a bit of Scandinavia. It's just amazing. Every day you wake up to a different postcard view. It's just stunning. There's 1,000 pictures in a mile. It's very expensive, but that's why you have a camper van. So before you come over to Scandinavia, be sure to fill up your camper van with food and try to resist, like we've had to, going into loads of cafes and restaurants, because that's where it'll eat up your money. But other than that, if your camper van's full and stocked, give this place a try, guys. It is absolutely wonderful, and it's made for the camper van to be able to pull up on anywhere in Norway. As long as it's been used before, then that's fine. So it gives you the freedom and the choices and loads of destinations to go and explore and do the adventure. So we've just stopped off at another location. It's a car park for the island behind me. I'm going to stop here for the night. Hopefully these cars will move out of the way. If not, we'll just hop over to the other side of the road there and park there for the night. And take it easy. This is stunning here. Have a look at this. Not bad for a park up, eh? So that's what we'll do tonight. We're going to stay here and then head towards the Stave Church tomorrow. So we're just coming for a walk over onto the island. What do you think of this area then?
I like this area as well.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, I'm stood here like a complete loner at the moment because Tony's making like a bear in the woods. Somewhere. Up there. So I said, I'll take all the equipment and keep walking. So we'll wait for him to catch us up. Yeah, a bit warm.
Claire and a half making me work out for these cheeseburgers, let me tell you that for nothing. Walking up these hills.
Moment on the lips.
Thank you. nature, Claire said. Go for a toilet in the forest, Claire said. However, this walk's only taken about 20 minutes. At the end of it, toilets. And I reckon that she knew. Where are we going?
Going to Jora.
And where are we?
Somewhere around here.
Good morning, folks. See what I have to put up with? Where are we? Somewhere around here. Somewhere on the northwest coast of Norway. Norway, yeah. Right, let's get the show on the road. Lovely night's sleep last night. Great location again. I'll put it on the map. I'm sure you'll be able to find it anyway, down a little gravel track for a couple of miles. Yeah, really nice. Where are we now in the dark?
A Motton.
Motton?
Yeah, we're going to see Flaoya, which is the name of a waterfall.
There you go. So another little hike. Go and see evidently 4 rivers converge. So, bit of fresh air, work out an appetite, ready for lunch. I enjoyed that. So we'll head back to the camper in a bit. I'm just going to take a couple of snaps.